Well, I got the 99 Cougar sitting here in the garage and I'm getting ready to do a compression check on it. I'm not going to show that because I've already got a video. Who needs to see that? But I'll show it when I do find if there is a problem. And let's kind of go through the diagnosis. So where I'm going to start with now is to take off the front cover here and we'll disconnect the coil packs so we can disarm the ignition system so this vehicle won't start. I can do my compression check, but we'll check back here in a minute and maybe I might show you where the problem is and we'll figure out where the tapping is going on at. So here's the demise of this car. Look at that. It's a drain plug. And then you can just kind of barely just see it, you know, right there. That's parts of his main bearings. They're going out. So this car is screwed. Once the oil starts draining, I'll bring the oil up and we can kind of see what's going on inside the oil. It's got good compression because everything in the top end of the motor is still good, but the bottom end of the motor, it's junk. This is improper lubrication right there. And you know, if you don't keep up on what's going on with your oil, you know you got an oil leak, you need to check that oil. Or this is what's going to happen to you. You know, this guy could keep on driving this car, but eventually it's just going to give up. It's just going to throw a rod. So, well, I'll wait for the oil to drain. We'll check out the oil. So here's the oil. Doesn't look like much wrong with it. Of course, you know, there might be too much light now, but this is a clean pan. Just by moving the oil around, it's kind of hard to. You just have to be here in person, but you can kind of see like a weird looking film, and when I pick up the oil and how it flows onto my glove, I can see little granules of gold. And what that is that's the main bearing being chewed up in the motor right now because of improper lubrication. So, you know. So I guarantee if I was to pull the pan off the bottom of this, that one of these main bearings is shot. It's probably a rod bearing that's shot in this thing. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and pour this motor oil back in the car and wait and see what the feller's got to say, what he wants to do. But yeah, this thing is definitely screwed.